The next program is HeapShot using C++. The HeapShot is also it is one of the sorting algorithm used to arrange a list of elements in order. In HeapShot, we can follow the tree concept for sorting the number. We use a maximum heap to arrange the list of element in descending order and minimum heap to arrange the list in ascending order. So first we can follow to arrange the list of element in ascending order. Here we choose to construct a binary tree with a given list of element means there are the two possible way to arrange the list in a descending order or ascending order. Uh, in this steps we have to follow to transform the binary tree into minimum heap and delete the root element from minimum heap using the heapify method and put the deleted item into the short list. Then to repeat the same thing until minimum heap becomes empty and display the shorter list. The similarly we can follow the mm, descending order for arranging the list using maximum heap. The same thing we have in first step to construct the binary tree with a given list of element and second step to transform the binary tree into maximum heap and delete the root element from maximum heap using heapify method and put the deleted item into the short list and same thing we can repeatedly until the maximum heap become empty and display the short. So the two way we have to sort the element using heap sort. For example, we can consider the list of unordered shorted number for to be sorted using heap sort. Now we consider to sorting this element using convert into maximum heap. Now this is the element for consider to be sorting. First, we have to construct a heap with a given list of unsorted number, and it converts to maximum heap. This is the first step. Now we to construct the unsorted list in binary tree format. First, the first element as a root node and another left subtree and right subtree considered 90 and 10. After the under the 90 we mm, keep the left subtree and right subtree of each and every child node. So the 12 and 15 can be considered here. In right subtree, the 77 and 55 is considered here. And then after in left subtree, there is only one element to be inserted as a left node, that is 23. Then by this format, we have to convert a list of numbers into maximum heap then through this tree structure. So we convert when we compare the binary tree format, we have to shorter the list. So we can compare the two element where if it is maximum means it can be interchanged from one another. Then after here it can be the 23 and 12 to be compared. If it is greater means the 23 comes to this part and 12 is comes to an end. And here it can be considered for comparing these two things. Now it is a linear element, so sorry, least element. So it will be stable here. Then from here also it will be compared in left right side. Here the compare with 10 to 57, sorry 77. The 77 will be higher, so it can be swapping to one another. Then 10 can be come to here, then 77 come to uh, upper position. Then 50, when compare with the 55 to 77, 55 is lesser than 77, so it's stable here. Now the two elements could be compared with the root node. 90 is greater than 82, so it will be swapped. 82 comes under here and 90 goes there. And finally the 90 is a contains a maximum heap, so we can delete the 90 from the maximum heap, and to delete the root node, to needed to swap the last node in the LM tree, it will be swapped to the root node. After we can construct the tree to need to be heapified to make a maximum heap. Now from that diagram, from that maximum heap diagram, the 90 to be deleted and 12 can be swapping to the root node. So this is the formation for second step. Then 90 could be going to the array element in last. Then the same process can be happen for heapify for sorting the maximum heap. Then of the same thing through the binary tree, we have to compare the two nodes. If it is greater means to swapping the element. Now we compare these two things. The in leaf node they are not uh, they are stable. Then in left subnode and right subnode, when compare this, 82 will be go to root node. Then then 12 comes under the here. When compare with 12 and 23, the 23 will be swapped to there and 12 comes to end. So the maximum heap shot 82 is a root node. So now we can delete the root node 82 and heap on into the array list in a descending order. Then the last node is where 55 in this side, in rightmost side, 55 could be comes to a root node. Then by using heapify, we can find the maximum heap, and formation of this maximum heap after deletion of 82, the we can construct the maximum heap. Then after we can find 77 as a maximum heap from this binary tree. Then it will be deleted from the maximum heap, and to delete the root node and to need to swap the last node as a 10. So 10 it could be come to the root node. and for next processing for heapify to make it maximum heap. Through this diagram, we can to apply the method of heapify and construct the maximum heap. When we compare this, 55 comes to root node and 10 will be interchanged here. Then 55 can be deleted from the heap sort and moving to the array element in descending order. So in from beginning 90, 82, 77, now 55 to be inserted, and the 15 can be taken as a root node. Then after to forming heapify method to finding the maximum heap, then after we have to get 23 as a root node and it can be deleted from the root and swapping the element 12 to be go to root node. Then method we have to follow for finding maximum heap. Then 15 can be comes under root node. Then this also can be deleted and adding to the root node, sorry, adding to the element, and 10 will be comes to root node. Then after heapify, after deleting the 15, 10 will be comes to the root node. So by the method of heapify, it can interchange the value and 12 is comes to under the root. So the 12 is also we can delete. So and it can be it insert into the array element. Then only one element, that is 10, will be here. So 10 as a root node, where 10 as represent as a root node, then it also can be delete. Then now the maximum heap should be comes under empty. Then the list of element, finally the list of element all are sorted in a or ascending order. This is an example for sorting an element in heap sort.